trust is huge. And I think that that's what people forget nowadays. Like, that doesn't go away. No one's ever going to trust AI like they do real people.
I run a bookkeeping business, and bookkeeping is just a maid service. We just don't go to our clients to clean. We just do it digitally. But
exactly,
it's all such a people-centric business that you can have all the tools you want to clean faster, do things quicker. And bookkeeping, obviously, because it's digital, will be aided more and more by that. But it always comes down to who's the best leader, right?
Exactly.
Who assembles the best team and communicates the best and builds the best community.
And
that
trust.
person still wins. That person still wins. It's just use the tools to do it faster. And
both you and me and maids and, so many of these service-based business owners, you're asking people to trust some things that are very important to them with, like giving you access to them, whether it's your home, their business accounts, all the different things. And so trust is huge. And I think that that's what people forget nowadays. Like, that doesn't go away. No one's ever going to trust AI like they do real people.
I was going to say, if anything gets amplified because we're all wary, like we're all assuming we can't trust a thing unless we really get to have our hands on it, because it's like, there's no proving that it's real. And therefore it's the opposite of like innocent until proven guilty. It's like fake until proven real.
That's true. Yeah. And that's why I tell all my clients, like, there's 3 parts to every system that I create. And it is AI, automation, and human touch. And there's always going to be the human touch part of it, because you can't trust things to never go astray. Mm-hmm. There's going to be, AI is amazing until it's not. And then it, I had an event that like the one that you and I talked about, but I had an event that I was doing, and I was, using AI to help people determine which of the speakers would be the best for them to go to and talk to and things like that. And if it didn't have a good answer for someone, it would just make it up. Yeah. Okay, go talk to this person. That is not even a real person, let alone someone who is speaking at this event.
But go on a goose egg. Go on a goose hunt anyway. Go see if you can find it.
Exactly. So it's just one of those things. Like, if you think that you can trust AI to just do things and never have any oversight, you're going to be finding yourself to be with some unhappy clients.
Hey, home service heroes. Thank you guys so much for tuning into our home service happy hour content today. I sure hope you learned a little something, and I sure as heck hope that it was entertaining. If you did find it fun and entertaining, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel for more cool, fun, entertaining business content. And speaking of which, stay tuned. There's a little more here and a little more right here. Check it out.